Talks will take place in New Delhi today. Now, the bilateral talks will be held on the sidelines of the Heart of Asia Summit. Here are the details.
The diplomatic stalemate between India and Pakistan is expected to get a fresh spin after it was put on hold in January this year. Foreign ministers of both the nations had met during the SAARC summit in Nepal in November last year, but then the Pathankot attack acted as a speed breaker in the talks process. After several months of a stalemate, India and Pakistan are expected to renew attempts of peace talks by engaging in bilateral dialogue on the sidelines of the Heart of Asia conference on Tuesday. Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar will lead India in the bilateral talks with his counterpart Aizaz Ahmed Chaudhry. India is expected to raise the issue of investigation of the Pathankot attack, apart from discussing modalities of resuming the comprehensive bilateral dialogue. Pakistan had sent its investigating team to gather evidence on the Pathankot attack. However, as the probe team returned home, its flip-flop stand reported in Pakistani media did not go down well with the Indian authorities. Pakistan also refused to act against the Pathankot attack mastermind Maulana Masood Azhar, terming the evidence provided by India insufficient. India and Pakistan were scheduled to hold bilateral talks in August 2015. However, that was halted when Pakistan High Commissioner Abdul Basit met with the Kashmiri separatist leaders. Later, when Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj went to participate in the Heart of Asia Ministerial Conference in December last year in Pakistan, both the sides had agreed upon resuming dialogues under comprehensive talks. The two foreign secretaries were going to meet on January 15 this year, but after the 2nd January Pathankot attack, the talk process was stalled. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been trying to revive the Indo-Pak peace process ever since he took charge of his office. PM Modi's unplanned visit to Lahore on the 25th of December was a shot in the arm to make further headway in the dialogue process, but the Pathankot airbase attack brought everything almost to a screeching halt. Once again, the dialogue is expected to resume and the hope for a peaceful relation between the neighbouring countries. But now the question is how long and how far the process will travel this time. With inputs from Amritpal Singh, DD News.
All right, for more details, we're joined by our correspondent Sudhakar. Sudhakar, now these talks come at the backdrop of, the Pakistan High Commissioner saying that the talks have been suspended. Then their Foreign Office coming out and saying, no, the talks will go on. And the talks being suspended after the Pathankot terror attack. What all is expected today?
जी बिल्कुल श्रेया, इसको सीधे तरीके से अगर ये समझा जाए, क्योंकि बातचीत जनवरी में होने वाली थी, उस दौरान पठानकोट हमला भी हो जाता है, पर आतंकवाद को लेकर भारत की बहुत स्ट्रांग पॉलिसी है और उस मुद्दे पर अगर कुछ बातचीत आगे बढ़ी है, पाकिस्तान ने कुछ कमिटमेंट्स किए हैं, उसके बाद ये स्थिति बनी है। हमने देखा कि पिछले दिनों पाकिस्तान की जो जांच टीम थी जीआईटी, उसने इंडिया का विजिट किया और उसके बाद उसकी तरफ से आश्वासन भी आया है कि वो जल्द ही एनआईए को अपने यहाँ आने का मौका दें, क्योंकि वो एक तरह की रेसिप्रोकल विजिट था। तो इस तरह की स्थितियों के बाद ये स्थिति आज बनी है। ये एक बायलैटरल मीटिंग होगी ऑन द साइडलाइंस ऑफ हार्ट ऑफ एशिया कॉन्फ्रेंस और निश्चित तौर पे एक किस तरह से आगे बढ़ा जाए, एक आगे बढ़ने का क्या रास्ता हो सकता है, क्या मोडालिटीज हो सकती हैं, उस पर बातचीत की जा सकती है। लेकिन जाहिर तौर पे अगर भारत के नजरिए से देखें तो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दा आतंकवाद रहने वाला है, पठानकोट हमले की जांच रहने वाला है। उस पर पाकिस्तान अब किस तरह से और भारत को सहयोग और खासतौर से इस मामले की जांच किस तरह से आगे बढ़ाने वाला है।
Right, so the way forward is the key word here, Sudhakar. We'll have to see how the day pans out there. But then this meeting will be held on the sidelines of the Heart of Asia conference. Let us know more about this conference. We know that this is being held in New Delhi this time, and also it is part of the Istanbul process, which is aimed at upliftment of Afghanistan. This meet is on Afghanistan. Give us more on this conference.
जी बिल्कुल प्रीति, हार्ट ऑफ एशिया में जो पार्टिसिपेटिंग कंट्रीज हैं, 14 कंट्री हैं भारत और पाकिस्तान के साथ ही जो करीबी मुल्क हैं अफगानिस्तान के पड़ोस में, वो तमाम देश हैं। उसके अलावा कई और देशों का सपोर्ट भी इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को मिल रहा है और निश्चित तौर पे अफगानिस्तान में किस तरह से पीस और स्टेबिलिटी हो, इस बारे में चर्चा की जाएगी। लेकिन साथ ही साथ जो तमाम क्षेत्र है अफगानिस्तान में, चाहे एनर्जी का क्षेत्र हो, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का क्षेत्र हो, इसको किस तरह से बिल्डअप किया जाए। लेकिन भारत के नजरिए से देखें तो जो सेफ हेवन्स हैं इस रीजन में उसको कैसे टेररिज्म के जो आतंकवाद के केंद्र हैं उनको कैसे खत्म किया जाए, तो उस मुद्दे को भारत निश्चित तौर पे उठाने की कोशिश करेगा इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, और ये काफी अहम है जो रीजनल पीस और स्टेबिलिटी के लिए अगर ये कहा जाए।
All right, Sudhakar, thank you so much for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you again during the day to get more on the Foreign Secretary level talks, which are scheduled to take place today between the Foreign Secretaries of India and Pakistan.
And Preeti, you know, this is the Heart of Asia conference really focuses on the peaceful and conditions and stability in Afghanistan. So really, India, Pakistan, the neighboring countries having these peaceful, stable bilateral talks is also significant.
Yes, we'll keep you updated with